Off on the FTSE today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers. I am the Scruffy Trader. And I'm continuing on this discipline challenge, if you like. And the idea is to trade once on one market for 30 days or 30 trades, whichever way you want to look at it. And the discipline part is sticking to that, because it's very easy to overtrade and just jump in, you know. Oh, I've got me 10 pips, I'll just get another 10. But that just get another 10, it's probably what's going to lose your money. So the idea is to teach patience. So where we are and what we do, and I'm going to be very quick today. So at the moment we're at sort of 11% in of the £700 growth. What I'm trying to do is get this account up to £1,000. Now I did another account which you saw on the early morning DAX. It was a bit of a nightmare, but I did it. We got it there. So what I've done is I drew some money out, you know, put it in my holiday pot, because if you saw a video a while ago, I said I was going to use some small pots to build it up to get a holiday, and that's what I'm doing. So I've reinvested £300 into this one, and I'm building this up to £1,000 to get another 700 quid, and then that will be my holiday pretty much paid for, you know. And that's what these things are all about, because everyone thinks it's the money. It's not. It's what money can buy. Make something tangible. Have a realistic goal. For me, it's a holiday. For me and Wink, you know, Christmas break. I do want to go to New York, but travel restrictions, all that sort of thing, I'm not rightly sure that's going to work, but it might be a few nights in a hotel. Who knows? But at least it's a trip and a bit of pleasure that the markets are paid for. So where we at, what we do, right? So yesterday we're at 98. We have to stay at 98p again, because for me to move up I need about 387 as a balance. Well, I haven't got it yet. I've got to stay within the margin requirements, and that means I have to hold back. So I'm stuck at 98p. I could edge it up to like £1 or something, but this again is about discipline. It's about holding your ground. All right. So that's what we're doing. If I can get this in, then it'll tip over and we can move forward again. All right. So I'm looking at the FTSE this morning, which is here. Now I've already had a little bit of a chat with the guys, and if you bear with me, I'll show you. Or at least I will do when I find it. There we are. Done all the biases, etc. They've all had a chat, but what I'm looking for is this. I've spoke about what I'm going to do with the FTSE already, so the guys know well in advance of what it is I'm looking at and why I'm looking at it. And I also do this, which is a Scruffy bias, and I show this to them. And as you can kind of see, they asked for their requests, and I'll work it out for them. I'll work out what the bias of the day is, or the short-term bias for a particular market. And for the FTSE, for myself, it's a gain and it's a buy. So I'm looking to buy the FTSE today. Okay. And remember, I'm only looking for 10 pips. So what's the game plan? Well, you can see the levels marked in where I need to be. I am looking for 10 pips. So if I just get a measuring tool out and measure out kind of 10 pips, it's there. I need to get in down here somewhere, all right, close to this yellow line, all right, to get up to the target line up there. Right, okay, so you can see it's dipped under now. drop that down there. What I can do, because it's actually pretty much ready to rock, I'm going to drop in an order. Boom. There we go. All right. Now I'm just going to leave it because that's the general purpose. So I'm going to follow the price down if I can. The first, oh, well, we're in, so we in with it now. It's a case of now just let it play out. But it's pushed up. It's held above here nicely. You can see it's had a go. It's coming down. It's not, if it moves down to here, it's not a big shake. And then carry on its journey to the upside. You can see it's on a nice move upwards. So that's it. I'm going to get ready to rock and roll. And I'll just leave the camera running. I'm going down to the office in sort of half an hour. Hopefully it'll be done by then. If not, I'll just pick it up when I get there. So have yourselves a good one, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of this trade. Okay guys, I'm gonna head off down into the office. It's 9:20, so I'll pick this up when I get there. It's doing nothing out the ordinary. It did push up like I thought it might, but it didn't quite get there. It's pushed back down, but it's only 10-11 pips against me. It's not big stuff, you know, it's not end of the world, and we'll just see what happens. I'll see you in a bit.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, we down in the office. Gonna switch the screens on, see what's happening and whether we good, bad or indifferent. And talking about things that's bad, the coffee's good, but she's a bad girl.
No.
And yeah,
No.
she is actually. She's a real bad girl. That's why I like her. My type of girl. They're going to put that bikini on.
Oh.
Come on.
Winter now.
One more. What? Well, what's that got to do with anything?
Hey, I'm going to wear a bikini in the winter.
Oh, but central heating. You don't need to wear it outside. Say. Well, hello. Ding dong. Right. Let's get the screens on. Got my coffee and see what's happening. Oh, nothing on the screen. So that's a good sign, isn't it? It is. There you are. Job's completed. 980. Went straight to the line marked, almost to the pip. In fact, it is to the pip. And that's why preparation is key. You have to know what the charts are doing, and you need to be able to read them. So what's this done to the sheet? Well, it's £9.80 in the pot. Another 10 pips today. Yes, it's complete. It's the FTSE. Came from the 1 hour. I'm in a good mood today. Well, I won't be later on. I'm getting dragged to the Metro Centre, the shopping centre, because one of us needs a new dress. Yeah, it's me. No, it's not. I look bloody stupid in a dress. I tried it once, they threw me out the pub. Oi.
Yes?
What kind of dress are you going to get?
Mother of the bride.
Not like leather latex or something.
I think I might look a bit silly, do you not think?
No.
How does your missus put up with you? Must be my legendary prowess as a lover.
It's worth a shot. Right, there we go. All day is where you like that in here. You know, sexual harassment all day. You know, I'm offended most days. She is terrible. Will you like stop harassing me?
Harassing me? I think it's the other way around.
I don't think so.
I think so.
You always after me. Is it like me boyish good looks?
Yeah.
Is that what you like? All right. Okay. There we go, boys and girls. Sorry, we're having a good day today. Scores on the doors are, it's tipped over 388, but it's on the cusp. So tomorrow will probably be the last day at 98 because we haven't quite got enough margin to break it into 108. We could open the trade, but what would happen is the moment it's opened, it immediately get a margin call. So we need a little bit extra in the pot just to push it over. So tomorrow's trade should do it. And, well, that's assuming that we win, because you never count your chickens. But anyway, that's that. Job's done. Quite happy, another day. I'm ready to fight again tomorrow. So what's the moral of the story of everything that I'm doing here? It really is discipline. And I know I said it at the start, and I know you see me here and I joke about a lot and mess around, and you think, well, what discipline has he got? I've got infinite discipline. I stick to my plans. If I say I'm going to do something, I'll follow it through. I never dive into the chart just for the sake of it. I have it planned out. I know what the risk tolerance is, and I know my exit. And that's the main point. And if you can nail them down and get used to doing it, then you'll find that you make more money. If you're just opening the screen and thinking, trade, I must trade, you'll lose, you know. And the worst thing that can ever happen when you do that is you win. Because what you'll find is you'll think you're invincible because you've won. But you haven't. It was more good luck than good planning. And what will eventually happen is the market will show you exactly how cruel it is if you don't treat it with respect. Anyway, just something for you to think about. This is just a very quick sort of video, and it's a kind of a daily vlog of the journey. We're getting nearly halfway through, and it's growing very well. So there we go. Trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.